Good Tuesday morning, everybody. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and happy Halloween. The last day of October is here. It's spooky season is just about over, so I got to ask right up front here. Does anybody have any good Halloween plans? Is anybody going to be dressed up in a really awesome, cool costume this year for Halloween? Look, if you are and you want to share it with everybody, hop over to our Facebook page. The link is in the description. Post some pictures from your Halloween costumes. That way we can share them with everybody. Now, let's jump into the cruise news because I came across a story that I want to share with you guys. You guys can give me your opinion. What do you think? Is this the money grab that it looks like? Or is this really about the environment? So over in Scotland, the Green Party, they have put forth a new bill, a new law that is going to allow a tax or a levy on cruise passengers visiting ports there in Scotland. Now, specifically, it is going to empower the local councils, the local communities that these cruise ships visit, and it's going to give them the power and the ability to charge this levy. So that means it's not just a levy or a one-time tax for visiting the country of Scotland. It sounds like you could get charged for every port that you go to. So if you're visiting 3 ports, you could see 3 new charges. Now, according to the Scottish government, this is to help combat environmental issues, cruise ship emissions and other pollutions done by the cruise ship, as well as how cruise tourism is affecting the communities that these cruise ships go to. Now, at this point, we don't have a whole lot of specifics, as to what amount that they could possibly charge. We also don't know exactly what this money would go to. Okay, they say it's for environmental reasons, but they also made a statement that said this would empower the city councils to get the investment that they deserve. And this is how they're going to get the investment that they deserve, by charging cruise passengers. They say it's for the environment, but and then, in the same paragraph, they say it's to, the investment that they deserve. So which is it? Now, I suppose it's always possible that they would take this money and invest it into green technologies that would help. Maybe they're going to build shore power stations. According to CLIA, 72% of all cruise ships are going to be shore power capable by 2028. So are they building shore power stations? Because that would help with emissions. Cruise lines already have green initiatives. They're already looking for cleaner, less emissions causing fuel. Said they're already converting to shore power so they don't have to run the engines while they're docked in port. Cruise lines are already heading to be more environmentally friendly because this has been an issue and a push that's been going on for quite a while. It's not new. Scotland now wants to get in on the taxing cruise passengers. Scotland's not the first. Most recently, we saw Spain do this, where they were adding taxes to cruise passengers. Now we have Scotland doing it at the city council level. So not even sure what the new tax is going to be at this point. But I have some questions. I have some concerns. So if you have a cruise company that's already trying to go green, they're already moving forward with green initiatives, how is charging them money going to make them go greener faster? Because do you believe that the cruise line is going to pay that money, or do you believe the cruise line is going to pass it right along to the passenger? Cruise lines aren't going to take a hit in their pocket. They're going to hit your pocket with it. So where is the motivation in that to make a cruise line go greener? At what point is the cruise line going to go, oh, well, they're going to charge us more money that we're going to make the passengers pay for. So yeah, we're really motivated to make these changes. Or at the end of the day, is this really just an opportunity where Scotland wants to reach into your wallet and take some money out to put in their own pockets, because it's the investment that they deserve? Their words. Now, this just could be a coincidence. It could just be me. Maybe I'm seeing things that aren't there. But the cruise lines are constantly talking about how bookings are up. Revenue is up. We just had quarter earnings from Carnival, over $1 billion. We just had the earnings call from Royal Caribbean, over $1 billion. And that's in their pocket after they make their payments. In their pocket, $1 billion. Cruise ships are booking at capacity month after month after month. And suddenly, we have new taxes popping up, new levies for cruise ships to visit these ports that they're going to. So I have to ask, is it really about the environment? Or are they just seeing a bloated cash cow that they want to take advantage of? Now, they also said, of course, it's the impact that cruise passengers have when they visit these places. Well, if we're talking too many passengers, well, that's a simple fix. You reduce the number of cruise ships that can visit. Because right now you have passengers hitting your town, spending their money, supporting local businesses, restaurants, shops, all kinds of stuff in all the places to visit, because cruise passengers, they spend money, they take tours, they take excursions, they visit places, they promote the places that they go to, because they're taking videos, they're taking pictures, gonna show them to family and friends. And now more people, probably are gonna want to go visit this location. So if it's just about the number of people, well, why not simply reduce the number of people that can visit? Or because if you do that, then you don't get as much money. See what I'm saying? But that's just my thoughts. That's just my opinion. Like I said, I could be completely wrong. You guys will have to let me know what you think. Is this legitimately about the environment? Or is this just a chance to grab some cash out of your wallet? And that's going to be our cruise news video for this fine Halloween day. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.